Nigga play with us, he dead meat, man. What's going on? What up, Desi? What's poppin', man?
Nothing?
Oh, we on? You snacking?
I'm snacking.
Want some crackers? Cause she what the fuck? We finna go outside and let the dogs out.
And then,
You said what?
and Desiree.
Stop playing. You know we got that BB. You know we got that BBGun. And they know what we about to do, right? And she locked and loaded. Do not play with that. Do not play with that. And we got the Vienna sausages on deck.
So this is your.
I play with that, shorty. You said what?
This is usually what she was talking about.
For sure. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Don't pop it. Don't pop it. Don't pop it.
Yeah. You ready? You going outside with us? Let's do it.
I'm getting all the fumes.
You don't even know how to shoot it.
Desi, look at me and
You don't even know how to shoot it, shorty.
Man, look at me and taped it. To that bird thing. With the toolmates.
So I can try it.
Desi, don't even. Actually, don't put it at nobody. Desi is not real.
Let him do it. Did you load it?
Is it loading?
Did you do it?
I don't know.
AJ, did you do it?
Oh no.
Let me do it.
So like,
Oh
is it the bullet? Is the bullets in there?
no.
No, aim it down. Aim it down. Aim it down.
Like this?
Yeah, now shake it. Let's shake it side to side.
Why y'all keep calling?
You ain't gonna join us in our shenanigans?
No.
Why? Why? What's your problem, bro?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh, why you ain't gonna join us then?
Because. Come on, ready?
Yeah.
Cause what?
Try.
Because if I came
That is not
you
gonna be
wouldn't
loud.
let me try to do it. Because you never let me.
What you want to try to do?
I want to try to shoot the gun.
Desi, don't shoot that thing.
Okay.
Desi, don't shoot that thing. You're gonna shoot the glass.
You think?
Your in-laws have
Yes,
everything,
you don't
including
got
this
aim.
gadget. Get the Google app and tap the lens icon to identify
Or
with
you
your
might shoot
camera.
the dogs.
Hurry up, shoot it.
Right now.
And swipe up to figure out how to use it.
Shut up.
That's it. I don't even think it was a bullet in there.
Oh yeah, it was.
Here, can you grab this back real quick? Can you eat that real quick? And then you can. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Okay.
Desi,
Alright.
here.
I'm about to go let the dog. No, come on, come with us to let the dogs out. Why? Alright, y'all coming? Bro, you still trying to shoot? Damn.
I don't know what I hit, but it was a
You
guy.
missed.
Oh, no, I missed.
Nah, I don't, did it even come out?
Desi. Yeah. I did it 3 times. I'll put it. See? It did come out.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Alright. AJ a pro at that thing now. Yeah, remember always aim it to the ground when you. Yeah, aim that thing. Ah, he missed. Ah, he need another try. Shorty need another try, man. Hit that thing. Ooh!
Well, let me try.
Ooh! Do not play with him. He's taught by the best, man. He taught by the best.
Yeah, Tay taught me how to aim.
Stop playing,
taught me how to
man.
shoot,
Yes, sir.
Taught me how to like everything.
Yeah, stop playing and he hit that thing more than once. Oh yeah, you gotta work on your aiming.
I can do it.
You gotta work on your
Alright.
scoping,
Desi,
man.
yeah, you do it like how many times do you want?
You gotta work on that.
Alright,
No,
and then don't shoot it yet. You have to get the bullet. Oh.
Hey, I need another camera battery. AJ, you know where they at? In my room.
No.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
You don't know how to do it, bro.
It don't.
Hey, you don't supposed to aim it like that, like when you like loading it or trying to do something with it, you wanna always scare me. Scaring me, shorty.
Well, never mind.
Alright, I'm about to let the dogs out.
Alright, cool.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. You have to push it all the way back.
Was it good? Corn dog eating that. These my two nephews right here, man.
What's up, guys?
Oh, you just shot his stuff over there. Hold on for a sec, alright? Alright, let's go, guys. I need y'all help with keeping the animals under control. Okay? Alright. Did you get something to drink? Why you should have brought it with you. Let's. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them out. Actually, wait, let me let them out the front right here. Come on, Chica. Let's go. Come on, Brownie. Come on, Brownie. Yeah, come on, girl. Come on, Brownie. Let's go, Remy. Remy, let's go.
Remy, let's go. Hey. Nana, do a front flip.
Let's go, Remy. They love it when they get let out. They love this, bruh. Yo, Remy. I don't know like the way she look. Remy, let's go. Come here. Let's go. She too happy. She don't know how to act, man. She don't know how to act, shorty. Make sure they don't run away. I need y'all help watching the dogs. They taking their bathroom breaks. What's up, Spooky? What's up, Spooky? What's up, Spooky? Yo, Chica, chill. Ow! Stop. I ain't had no emotion. What up, dude?
What?
I bet you can't do a backflip.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Remy, come here. Come here. Come here, Remy. Come here. Let's go.
Remy.
Here.
Remy. Remy.
You having trouble, bruh?
Huh?
You talking to her.
That's a butterfly.
Hold on. Come here, Remy. Come here, Remy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. 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 Yeah, see. Wait. I'm gonna teach her how to sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Sit down. Sit. 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 She's still learning. Hey, stop. Stop.
Come play with me.
See how look at her snapping her mouth. Remy, let's go. Here. Here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's too excited. She's too overwhelmed.
Desi.
She's not going.
A minute.
Too excited. Come here. Stop slobbering. stop. Ew.
What you doing, AJ?
Her whole side of her.
Isn't it harder to shoot? Like where it can be hard?
Let me see you shoot it.
Can I try? Try what?
Oh, here, this way. Let me show you something.
I did it more hard.
I'm gonna show y'all how to shoot because I'm the best aimer out here.
I know how to shoot. I'm kind of good at this.
Watch this.
What you shoot? You didn't even tell us what you was aiming for.
See the middle of that chair? The chair, and see got the things going up in the back? I hit the one all the way to the right.
Let's go again.
Right? That's what I hit. You know what I'm saying?
Desi, look what
Y'all couldn't see it because it was too fast. It was too fast.
All right. Let's go.
Let me see.
Yeah, let's go.
Told you.
You probably gonna put that in slow-mo?
Go back, let me do it again. What I tell you? Now put it on there. Put it on there. You see that? You see that? You see this? You see that? It put a hole in it. You see that? It put a hole in it. Stop playing with me.
Okay.
Stop playing,
Okay.
phone.
Okay.
And the BB right there. Stop playing with me, bruh. Stop playing. I do this, bruh. I do this.
Okay,
I do
okay.
this. Look, I done it right there. I really do this,
I
man.
gotta see,
You know what I'm saying? The one in the right, bro. I'll pop you.
Pop yourself, my nigga.
I'll pop you, shorty.
Popping yourself.
Oh, let me stop, because that's not, yeah. Wait, is you still recording? Yeah, I can't do that for people watching.
For another 52 seconds.
About to shoot Remy.
Look, Desi.
I was just playing. Why you gonna record this?
Desi.
She about to record me shooting Remy. You ain't even gonna say, yo, stop it. How you recording? You got the camera down to the ground. Stop
Desi.
it. Stop it. Stop it. How you recording? You got the, first of all, you can't. About to put all the dogs up. We're gonna take it in. Everybody like, subscribe, comment, tune in. We're gonna do a lot of stuff this summer.
Guys, like and subscribe.
You know what I mean?
Like and subscribe to DMGT.
Let's do it. Yo, you good, Desi?
Yeah. I'm protecting the dogs from them jumping around her.
All right. We out, man.